Hi, in this video I'm going to be talking about how you can record custom information about your leads through hidden form fields. For example, let's say you want to track a Facebook advertising campaign and you want to track all the leads that come through Facebook. And you're also tracking, let's say, AdWords and then also email marketing, and you want to have a way to manage those leads to the different sources. The best way to do that is through hidden form fields. So let's open up the editor here. Now inside of this page that we have a name field and an email field. Instead of adding a new field called Facebook or advertising and they entering themselves where they came from, we have to do it through a sneaky way called hidden form fields. So if you go to your settings here, we have an option called hidden form fields. If you click on that, we have an option up to 5 different fields that you can. All you do here is you give it a name. So let's say add source is what we're going to call it. And then you would submit this information through a query string. A query string is some information on the end of your URL that defines some variables for the page to know about. So you can see here we have a query string always starts with a question mark, and then you tell the name. So we have field name, so ours would be add source equals Facebook. I'm going to hit save here, and then I'm going to go to my page here. So here's the URL for my page. And what we would do is we put a little question mark here, put add source, underscore source is what we call it, and then just write Facebook, and then hit enter. So now if I send URL or send traffic to this URL, every time someone emails or opts in, they're going to be also associated with Facebook. So if you're using the an integration like Aweber or MailChimp, when you go to the lead, you'll see that all your leads are there, and you'll also see which ones came through Facebook or email or through AdWords. So you basically set up your traffic and your advertising through this URL. Another cool thing that you could do is you can also pre-populate fields in the same way. So we have 2 fields here. So if I click on this one, we have an input name as name, since this is going to be the full name. And then the next one here is we have an email field with an input as email. So we can auto pre-fill these in the same type of way. So we just put an and symbol and then write email equals my email at gmail.com. Now as you can see, when the page loads, my email at gmail.com is pre-filled in this form field here. We could do the same thing with the name field, since we know it is called name. Call that name equals Dylan. So now we can see that when the page loads, we have name and their email. All I have to do is click get instant access, and then instantly we have their name, their email address, and the source of where they came from. You can add up to 5 different sources through the hidden field here. So this could be anything like tagging, the source, but anything you want really. Anytime you want to have some sort of information about that lead that's hidden to them and they don't have to submit it themselves, this is the best way to do it.